How to comment GIF on Instagram post. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now keep in mind though that you just got to have the app up to date, and maybe you just don't have the update yet, because I do have it on this account, but on some other accounts I still don't. Instagram is always weird with these updates. Random accounts just get it and some don't. So yeah. Now on this account I do have it. So let's say I would go to this post real quick and I would just open up the comment section. Then right over here it says add a comment, and you see these emojis, and you also see GIF on the right over there. It used to just say post in blue, like just like that actually, but now it says GIF for me. So I will just open that up, and then over here I can just choose any GIF you see over here, which is pretty cool. You can choose anything you would like to. You can, for example, search, let's say, Drake, and then you can choose a GIF from him, or search cats, get some cats GIFs, or even a movie like that, which is pretty cool, right? Now, let's say I were to put just this top GIF over there in the comment section, then I'll just click on it. Then right there, you can see that I have now commented that GIF, which is pretty funny. And that is basically how it works. I hope you do have the update, but some people just don't. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.